Don't fall. I can record it, right?
That's fucking awesome.
We getting ready?
Bike squibs versus LSX heavens. Get out of the fucking. Or are they gonna do the bikes first? Bike versus bike. Who was that in that right lane? Chris? Fuck over. There. No, that wasn't Chris. That was someone else. It's Josh.
That was Josh.
Yeah, he's nervous. He doesn't want to get fucking caught. Okay, here we go. Woo! Wow! That's fucking awesome! Holy! Woo! I love drum brakes! Not bad! Not bad! Not bad! Damn, that's pretty fucking good, Mike. Is that a 600 or is this 1,000 too? That's pretty fucking good, man. Woo, smell those brakes. That's brakes.
That is definitely brakes.
That is your brakes are done. Holy fucking shit, this thing is fucking ripping. Holy fuck, that was fourth gear for me. That's still pretty good for this.
I'm driving a full-size truck.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking good.
That was, dude. Your fucking turbo is so damn
That's loud. I'm impressed.
The rocks up.
Do you smell that brake? I thought we were gonna die around that turn.
That wasn't even a race between Sean.
No, he was gone.
I was fun. Well, when we were going on the ramp, dude, I was spinning all the way up.
I think your brakes are smoky.
Yeah.
We definitely need a cruise down.
I need to.
Or a water down. A water kit for the brakes.
I'm gonna stop at
Damn, that's fucking awesome, man. Even with that being fourth, it took a long time for him to fucking go by.
Yeah.